Hi, I'm Shelly, and I'm primarily a painter. But I've also recently started to work with the mediums of drawing on paper, so pencil on paper. And that's something I've done for a very long time in my sketchbooks, but I finally decided to formalize it as a practice of its own. So for me, it's the visual medium and how it can be expressed in different ways. So I would say that now I'm like equally dedicated to my painting and drawing practice. I've always been interested in the two-dimensional medium because I really like the joy of storytelling on a single plane and the history of it as well. I mean, from miniature paintings like Pahari paintings and the way they depict figures through time by repeating the same figure in different frames um, to, like even older oil paintings in the Indian context, someone like Bhupen Khakkar, who was also a great figurative painter. So that's where my journey started. I guess it always started with oil painting. And then I realized that drawing as a medium has its own merit. It brings with it a lot of innocence because it automatically takes you back to the childlike ability to just like draw with a pencil on paper. And the same kind of delicacy and softness then comes across in the medium as well. On the paper. A lot of it actually comes from the practice of drawing. So, because all my work starts in the sketchbook or through writing, I really like to introduce that element of mark making in all my works. So, whether that's a final pencil on paper drawing or an oil painting, I think I really enjoy the line work and the fluidity of what a line can do in all my works. And as for the color palette, it is truly dependent on what I'm trying to make. So, some of the images are inspired from the landscapes of Goa because I was living there for some time. And so they have this like orange tint because of the lateritic soil over there. Whereas sometimes, if it's a nocturnal scene, then I would like for it to be a subdued scene because I want the viewer's eyes to adjust to that slightly lower lighting setting. So I think it's about creating that environment and how color can really contribute to that.